I love the fact that there's that little taste of Portuguese and Dutch and British here in India. It's great.
And we're heading down now to catch a ferry for like one of the shortest ferry trips you can possibly take over to the other side of the river to check out what's there on this lovely little small island. Luckily Geoff knows the way, he's leading us there. That's really cool. Thought we'd stop and get a drink and maybe a snack before we go over to the island. So here we've got Port View restaurant. Do they have any fried bananas, Geoff? Oh, wonderful. I don't know if they're going to be as good as yesterday's ones, but here's hoping. Hello. Yes. How much are the fried bananas? Banana fry.
Fry 10.
May I have 4, please? Oh. Yeah, delicious. Making my snack. So I've got my bananas, and we've also met like a lovely new friend. His name is
Bhuvan. Yeah. Nice to meet you. Are you from here? From Kochi?
I'm from another state. I'm from Chennai. I'm doing a road trip.
Chennai.
Oh, nice. We're going to Chennai next.
Yes, on
by train.
Thursday.
Yeah. So you're riding by bike?
Yes.
How long to come here by bike?
It's like 500 kilometers, but
yeah. Slowly. Yeah, long time. Yeah. Sounds like fun.
It's my 7th day in Kerala.
7th day.
Oh,
You
how
like
wonderful.
It?
Yeah, I like it.
Fantastic. Great. Have
Excellent.
a great time.
And do you have like a YouTube channel or anything? Or you're, no?
Okay.
Shout your journey?
Yeah.
Okay, but
Best
that's
of
so
luck.
wonderful. Like, yeah, great, good luck on your trips. So by bike, do you mean like motorbike or bicycle? Motorbike. Geoff, have you ever ridden around India on a motorbike?
No, I haven't ridden on a motorbike.
Yeah.
Southeast Asia, yes.
Yeah, but not
India,
India.
no.
But those trucks and the buses, man, you're brave.
Yeah,
But
you're right.
I'm driving in that since I'm child. So
Ah.
You're used to it, yeah.
I can drive something.
He knows the quasi rules.
Yeah. He's a braver man than me, that's for sure.
Well and truly. Lovely to meet you. So Geoff's just bought the tickets. Again, it's 1 ticket, 3 people, 9 rupees. Thank you,
Yeah,
Geoff.
it's pretty expensive, isn't it? 9 pence or 18 Australian cents. Come on.
Wow.
Nice cruise, yeah. So now we're off to, is it Vitala or Vitala? I'm not quite sure.
Okay, we'll find out when we get there. And to buy the tickets, it's on that little kiosk just there where the people are queued up. That's a roll-on, roll-off ferry. So pedestrians take 2nd place, I think. It's such a small island. There's a lot of people coming off the ferry. Thank you. And yay, there are seats in the shade. Oh, this is so good.
Best seats in the house.
Yay.
Definitely 3 rupees well spent.
That's 5 cents, you know.
I know, yeah, whoa. VIP section. Wouldn't happen back home. Passengers and cars would be separated, right?
Yeah, massively. Over here at Vypin. So Geoff's just brought a, what we call them, trumpets in New Zealand, drumsticks in Australia, and what they call them in the UK. And how much was it, Geoff?
30 rupees.
Wow. And he said, very importantly, the freezer worked really well.
Yeah, normally these come out of the freezers very soft, but this one's rock hard, so I'll let it warm up a bit.
We're still eating our bananas. Lovely. Just chatting with these lovely fishermen, like they asked where I'm from, and I said New Zealand. And we're talking about the cricket, and New Zealand cricket. Yeah, it's not so good. Because Afghanistan beat us the other day. We did not do well at all. So we're just looking at the Chinese airport. Look at
There's an eagle in the tree there. It's massive. Probably won't see it on the GoPro, but that is pretty impressive. Biggest thing I've seen in the air over here.
Far out,
But
it's
yeah,
amazing.
these ones here, they've got metal A-frames, so I don't know if they're like more modern and they're more robust than the ones on the other side, on the Kochi fort side, which are maybe for the tourists, you know, the traditional original ones. Really interesting to see. The frames are out of the water now, and they'll drop them in and pull the catch up on the rising tide.
Wow, that's brilliant. And I don't know if you can see the clouds behind Lee.
I think the rain is coming.
Because remember,
Yeah.
India in June.
Yep, expect plenty of it. There comes the rain. On schedule.
Should have known. Lee and I wore our sun hats because it was so hot and sunny earlier. But yeah, as we said, Kochi, Kerala, India actually, in June. Rainy season, so expect like short, sharp downpours. They don't last very long, maybe half an hour. But man, it really, really belts down. What are you waiting?
Welcome to the monsoon.
So I've decided to stop for my new favourite thing, lime soda. So here, lovely.
Delicious, cold and delicious, very nice. And we can get out the rain and hide in there for a while.
So I always ask for it with no sugar and no salt because, you know, just like the healthy option, but it's really tasty and only 20 rupees.
20 rupees.
Yes,
Each one.
20 rupees, perfect.
Thank you very much.
And then 10 minutes later, it's all stopped. Got your puddles on the road. So we're heading now for a walk along by the Chinese fishing nets. These houses are so cleverly designed for the weather conditions here. As you can see, like a normal house down below, but then the top floor is basically, it's open air just with like a roof, a raised roof above it. So they can get the breeze, they can cool down on those hot days, especially when the power goes out, there's no fans working. Brilliant.
One thing we notice here is the names is Henry de Cunha. It's like that Portuguese connection, you know. I love the fact that there's that little taste of Portuguese and Dutch and British here in India. It's great.
And another Portuguese name. How wonderful. So now here we have one of these beautiful churches that is seen all around Kochi. Wow, so lovely. When I was just filming the plaque, the name plaque, Acosta, the lovely, lovely woman who owns the house came out and we were chatting away, and it turns out her dad was Portuguese. Like, he spoke Portuguese, but he's not here anymore, but quite a few families in the area all settled from Portugal. So I was just saying like how much we love Portugal and how cool it was to see the evidence of it here in India. And of course there's the English aspect as well, Anglo-Indian school. Some properties look as though they're being worked on. I really enjoyed the little side trip over to Vypin. There's a ferry now to take us back. And let's just hope the rain stays up again for us this time. Back on the ferry and watching for our toes because they come pretty close. So this morning we've come to a vegetarian restaurant for breakfast. I've actually eaten dinner here a couple of times, and so we thought we'd try the breakfast. I've gone for you Sri Lankans will be saying it's string hoppers. No, it's idiyappam and appam, and they come with the chickpea curry, absolutely delicious. Now Geoff has...
I've got the puri, my favourite Indian breakfast. Today they've given me dal. Other times they give you mixed veggies or chickpeas or something different. It's fried bread, which makes it different from the dry breads. Beautiful.
Yeah. So that's the dal and the puri. And Lee is
I've
having...
got the thing because yeah, my stomach's been a bit dodgy to start off with, so I'll stick with black tea for now.
So just looking at the prices on the menu. The appam are 10 rupees each. The idiyappam, also 10 rupees each. And the kadala, which is that delicious chickpea curry, is 30 rupees. And Geoff went for the puri set down the bottom, which is 60 rupees as well. And we're having black tea, 10 rupees. So like excellent prices at this pure vegetarian inn. So it's time now for a room tour of our lovely accommodation here in Fort Kochi.
This is our lovely room at Juliet's homestay. There's lovely homestays here in Kochi, some really nice ones in the back streets, and we found this one on booking.com. We'll put the link in the description below for Juliet's homestay. It's really good. This room cost us 800 rupees a night, which we're really pleased about. We originally booked one that was out the back, but we didn't like it so much, it was smaller, so we upgraded, paid an extra 150 for this for 800 because it has a beautiful view, nice and sunny, and a balcony. Check out the balcony, Randy.
Oh, it's lovely. I think one of the things I love about the balcony and about being here, it feels as though you're in a village in the jungle. Like, look at it, it's just so lush and verdant and wonderful.
Palm trees, can't beat them, can you? Got two large comfortable beds here. Got a fan that goes really turbo when you turn it off forward. And an ensuite bathroom with your usual toilet, bum gun, shower. And I really do like the tile design here, the pebbles, so that's really quite impressive. I'm not so sure about the cracked tile design. I thought they were really cracked tiles everywhere. I thought, oh dear, it's a bit of a mess. But no, it's the design, not the tile. It's a really nice place to stay, right in the centre of Fort Kochi. We really enjoyed our stay here.
And the family was so lovely.
Yeah, that's the one good thing, you know, you're like with a family, they live downstairs and they're really friendly and helpful. And if you want any information, they'll guide you, anything you need to know.
Fort Kochi is so lovely and quiet in the morning. It's one of the things we love about it. Now there are some tourist buildings here in Fort Kochi. Got Folklore Cultural Theatre, Chocolate Factory. Now we're frugal travellers, and one thing we normally do is get buses, public transport everywhere. But after our rather epic journey, shall we say, from the airport in Kochi to our lovely guest house, Juliet's homestay, we decided this time we're going to take an Uber. So we're just waiting for him.
Yep, he's just about on his way now, and it's 349 rupees all the way to Ernakulam town, which is about an hour's journey, so a lot easier than taking public transport, that's for sure.
Definitely. Yeah, and I'd like to say a huge thank you to George. Thank you so much, George.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, we had such a lovely stay.
Okay.
Very
Thank
kind.
you. Yeah, it's wonderful. Brilliant. Time in India, and that's what we're getting. Oh my word. So a trip to the train station is quite interesting.
Bus goes this one, yeah.
So heavy vehicles crossing.
Yeah, not this one, yeah.
Well, that was an excellent Uber journey. Took
Yep.
an hour.
Well done, yeah.
Yeah, so much better than the public transport, I think, than the bus. And so now we're heading to the train station because we're going to take an overnight train to. What's it called?
Well, that ends an absolutely fantastic stay here in Kochi and at Juliet's homestay.
So make sure you keep watching because we're heading to the railway station now because we're going to take an overnight sleeper train from Kochi to Chennai to Madras. It's going to be so exciting. 12 hours on the rails.
Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye for now.
Bye.